Hi there again. Today we want to learn how to create singleton pattern together. As we know, design patterns are created to solve a specific problem, and singleton pattern is one of them, and also easy one. In programming, whenever it is needed just to have a single instance of a class, we should use this singleton pattern. Furthermore, we can use this design pattern, I mean singleton pattern, inside of other design patterns like abstract factory, factory method, builder, prototype, and even facades. But we should make sure that our class have one instance and easily to access. I'm gonna navigate to my IDE. I will create my singleton pattern, then I will explain about it all. So what's going on here? I create a private static property. I used private because don't want to access these property outside of the class, and I use static because I want to access this property actually in my static method, and this property gonna hold my object. What about constructor without any body? I just make it to private function constructor. By doing so, I'm gonna turn my class into not instantiable from the outside of the class. And for the last method, I used public static function getInstance. I used static because I want to create my instance or get my object in everywhere in my project. I'm gonna return this static property which gonna hold my object. But before that, I checked with if statement. If it is null, that means actually my property hasn't instantiated, or my class hasn't instantiated. If it hasn't, I'm gonna create new fresh one. So that is about singleton pattern, and so easy it was. For my next video, I'm gonna create another design patterns. See you then.